Next, I'll show you how to connect OpenAI Codex to your Paperclip. But first, we need to make sure your OpenAI settings are set correctly. In a new tab, open your OpenAI account by going to chatgpt.com, going to your account in the bottom left, and clicking Settings. Then on the security page, scroll down to the bottom, and make sure that Enable Device Code Authorization for Codex is turned on. If you skip this, the next step will give you an error and you'll have to start it over. After you've done this, you can close the ChatGPT tab. Now in the upper right of this Docker Manager page, click Terminal. That opens the web terminal, which if you've never worked with one of these before can look a little bit scary, but essentially all you're doing is typing a few words to talk to the computer instead of clicking around with your mouse. I'll give you the exact commands you need here to connect your Codex account. First, click into the bottom, then type Docker PS and hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. That will generate a response. The response has two different items. One of them is your Paperclip project, and the other one is traffic. Under the names column, you'll see the container ID for Paperclip. Go ahead and double-click that to highlight it, and then Command-C or Control-C to copy it. Next, click back to the bottom, type Docker exec-it, exactly like I have it here on the screen, put a space, paste in your container ID, use your right arrow key to deselect that container ID, add another space, then type /bin/bash. Then hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. You're not going to get a response, but you will notice here that it changes from being root at server followed by a number to node at followed by a string of numbers and letters. Now, instead of just talking with the server, we're talking with the specific Paperclip project. Next, type codex login --device -auth, exactly like I have it here on screen. Then hit Enter or Return. This will get you a response that provides steps for how to log into your ChatGPT account. So first, go ahead and copy this URL that it's providing, open a new tab, and paste that in. Go ahead and sign into your ChatGPT account. On the next page, click Continue. Then you'll be prompted to add a code. Go back to the Terminal tab and copy the code from step 2 in the response. Return to the ChatGPT tab and paste in your code, then click Continue. You are now signed into Codex and you can close this tab. If you've done this correctly, you'll see in the terminal that it says you've successfully logged in. That's it. Codex is now connected to Paperclip.